Hi everyone, welcome to Angular 1 Minute Learning. Explain the different types of guards. The router supports multiple guard interfaces. Accordingly, we have classified them. The first one, the router checks for the can deactivate guard, and the purpose of this particular guard is to mediate navigation away from the current route. And the use case is to handle the unsaved changes. You have a form, you have started filling in the form, you are trying to navigate it to another page. So during that time, the can deactivate guard can be used to prevent that navigation. Then we have the can activate guard, and the purpose is to mediate the navigation to a route. And the use case is that in an application, if unauthenticated users are trying to access the application, we have to restrict that, right? So we can use the can activate guard for that. Then we have the can activate child guard, and the purpose is to mediate the navigation to a child route. There might be scenarios actually within the parent, there might be different other child routes, and we have to restrict the access based on the roles in the child routes. So in that case, we can use the can activate child guard. Then we have a resolve guard, and the purpose is to fetch data before the root activation. There might be scenarios where actually during the rendering, component rendering itself, we have to load the data. We have to have the data. So during that case, actually we can use the resolve guard. Then we have the can load guard, and the purpose is to mediate the navigation to a feature module which is loaded asynchronously. So can activate guard is actually restricting the route, but even then the module is getting loaded. But even if you want to restrict the module loading, right? So during that time we can use the can load guard. Then we have a can match guard. The purpose is to decide whether a route should be used at all. And the use case is we have to control the route matching based on the application conditions. So in that case we can use the can match guard. So that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching.